Latest details on the Galaxy S24 Ultra offer promising news for those looking for a powerhouse smartphone, but there's a sting in the tail. The results suggest European S24 Ultra owners will have one of Qualcomm's Snapdragon chipsets, but the current benchmark numbers are lower than expected. The performance details come from the ever-reliable online benchmarking site Geekbench. The results suggest that what we are seeing is a prototype or pre-release handset, as the benchmarking performance numbers are weaker than the previously reported Galaxy S24 Plus running the same Snapdragon chipset, and lower than the S24 Plus, the Samsung's Exynos 2400 chipset. Power users looking at the Galaxy S24 Ultra will hope that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is the only S24 Ultra chipset on Geekbench. Earlier this month, Samsung announced a new premium Exynos chipset, and the assumption is that this Exynos 2400 will show up somewhere in the Galaxy S24 family. With the Exynos series regarded as a weaker chipset in previous head-to-heads with the Snapdragon 8 series, consumers in the territories that received the Exynos-powered Galaxy handsets had little choice but to use a slightly weaker phone. Samsung's decision to only use Snapdragon chipsets in the current Galaxy S23 family was welcome, but it looks likely to be reversed for the Galaxy S24 family. There's some hope for those looking at the Galaxy S24 Ultra, as the handset showing up on Geekbench is not only a Snapdragon-based handset, but is flagged as a European handset. Samsung may ensure that all of the top-end S24 Ultra handsets will ship with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while the lower-tier S24 and S24 Plus will ship with a mix of Snapdragon and Exynos. Samsung is expected to announce the Galaxy S24 family at a Galaxy Unpacked event in early 2024. Traditionally, this is held the week before Mobile World Congress in late February, although there are signs that Samsung may be considering an early launch. Will Samsung continue to offer different chipsets in different regions for the Galaxy S24 series, and if so, why? Do let us know your thoughts about it in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.